Hey guys, welcome to another video. So today, this is my Valentine's Day look. Today is Valentine's Day. I'm trying my hardest to get this up before I go to bed. Your girl gotta get up early. But anyways, this is my look. I didn't go out anywhere, but I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, so I'm going to be using the Revlon Skin Lights Face Glow Illuminator, the Stila Sale Day Foundation, and the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. Stila in 8 Honey and L'Oreal in 100 Linen. But before that, I'm going to put my e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. I keep forgetting to put that on before I mix my foundations together. And, I just have to deal with it. So there's me putting it on in all the places that I need it. Then I start applying the foundation. Yes, it looks dark and it looks very yellow, but I do blend it and it does happen to match my skin tone. Although it doesn't look like it now, I'm telling you it does. And also it doesn't make me look as pale as I am. So it's a good match. So then that's the Revolution Fast Base Concealer. I don't know if they even do this anymore, but this is in C3. I love this concealer. It's just very light. And then I'm using the Gosh High Coverage Concealer in 002. This is very, very light. I just add this onto the inner corners of my eyes because I feel like I need more brightness on the inner corners of my eyes. That's where most of the darkness comes from. So I like to pop that in there and it just gives it a tad more highlightedness up in there. Then I use the Fenty Beauty Loose powder in Butter. I loves this stuff. It's great. It sets really nicely. It doesn't cake on my skin. So I just use that to bake under the eyes, and then I use the rest of the powder to set the rest of my face. I don't want to look oily throughout the day. I want to look luminous, Then I use a little fan brush and I just dust it off my face. I'm not used to baking. I don't ever bake, but up until recently, that Kim Kardashian video, and I tried baking. I actually kind of like it, and I don't know why, but I just do. So then I use the Revolution Pro Micro Brow Pencil in dark brown, and I just lightly fill in those thick, untidy eyebrows that I got going on right now. I try my best to tame them. So I'm just carving out my eyebrows with a bit of concealer. Nothing too special. Any concealer will pretty much do. I'm just using it to get a really, really sharp eyebrow. Then I use the Maybelline City Bronzer in Medium Warm 250. When I'm not tanning, this is my favorite bronzer because it's warm, but it's also very cool, so it doesn't look too orange on my skin, which I love because I'm pale, and if I have anything too orange it just looks crazy. So I just put that around my forehead and my cheekbones. Then I use the Makeup Geek contour pan in Infidelity, which I love. I use this to basically contour the cheekbones, and I use that around the edges of my hairline as well. It's a very cool tone, which is amazing for contouring. Your girl's trying to look sharp and chic for Valentine's Day. Then I use the same Fenty Beauty powder. I cut up those cheekbones really quickly just to clean it up. I'm not going too far, I'm not baking. And then I brush it off real gently with this nice special edition Real Technique brush. I just dust that off. Then I use the Morphe eyelid primer. This I believe is translucent. I think that's the shade. But I just use the again, another special edition Real Technique brush, a nice big one, and I just blend that out because your girl got long nails. I can't blend it out if I tried. So I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk. I bought this. I haven't even tried it yet. This is my first time trying it. I'm gonna take Eden, which is a matte peach, and I'm just going to dust that across my eyes. It's a very it's a really nice colour. It's nothing too sharp, nothing too sickly, because some colours to me feel sickly and I don't even want to look at them on my eyes. But this one's quite nice and it blends out well. Then I use the Be Perfect Carnival XL Pro palette, and I take the colour In Lust to what I can see on this screen. I'm pretty sure it says In Lust, and it's a nice magenta. And for this look, the theme I wanted to go for was a soft pink. It didn't exactly turn out how I wanted to in my head, but the end result I still liked. So this I'm just blending out on my eyelid. Then I go back to the Desert Dust palette and I take this color. I am sorry, I don't know what this color is called because my camera is out of focus, but it's a really, really nice like tropical peach red with gold flecks, and it's a really nice it's exotic and it reminds me of like Miami or something. Then I go back in with that peach colour and I just buff out the edges to make sure that it doesn't look like a blob on my eyes. And so I take, this is called OUD. Your girl don't know how to say that other than OUD. Is it oud? Because I don't know. And I just take that on a small brush and I shade the outer corners of my eyes, kind of turning it into like a wing, but not a wing, extending it outwards. Then I take the Maybelline tattoo pencil in, what is this, tattoo pencil in brown, and I just shade that on my lower lash line. And now with the Maybelline Chrome Extreme, this is 200 Diamond Glow, I believe, I just highlight the inner corner of my eyes. This is my first time using this highlighter, by the way. And I put this under my eyebrows as well. This stuff is gleaming. Jesus. This stuff glows like crazy. Like, it's bright. Then I put on the Lash Queen London Majestic lashes. Love these lashes so very much. And there you go. This is a new highlighter I'm also using. This is the Revlon Skin Lights highlighter in, I forgot. It's on my Instagram. Go to my Instagram. I got it listed in there. Don't you worry. And I have that going on the upper parts of my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and my cupid's bow and chin. I'm trying to look highlighted today. And then I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills loose highlighter in Snowflake, just a tad, because my highlighter was already going crazy. I didn't want to look like a disco ball, because say I was actually wearing this on a date, I'd look cray cray. Then I use the Morphe 8C blush palette and I take It Girl and I think that says sexy. So I'm using those blushes. I'm reading off the screen. I actually can't. I don't remember what I used already. I've got a really bad memory. But I put that on my cheeks and then I brush that back towards my cheekbones. Then I use the Kiko Water Flower Magic Lip Pencil in 02. And this is a nice pink. Not too crazy. I didn't want to go too crazy, but I still wanted it to be pink because I didn't want to go too boring and do my normal. And then I get the Kiko 3D Hydro Lip Gloss in 05, my favourite lip gloss ever. I love this lip gloss so much. I will buy 5 if I could. And I just top that and it looks amazing. Alright, so this is the final look. Yes, your girl's slightly getting over the sickness. Don't worry, it's not the corona. It's not none of that. It's just normal, typical flu. You know what I'm saying. Anyway, so this is my Valentine's Day look. Your girl done did it February 13th. So I'm going to try and get this up for Valentine's Day. Yep. Your girl done look cute for no reason. I ain't going anywhere today, tomorrow. No one gonna take me out. It's okay, it's cool, I'm alright. But this look, I'm living for it. I've got my little like oriental style dress going on. I love my oriental style dresses. I'm trying to get with the culture, you know. So this is my look. And it's a very soft pink. Everything's soft pink. Nothing too crazy. The only thing that I think that really stands out would probably be like the smoky lower lash line. It just deepens up the look a little bit without making it too heavy. So it's all about me having like a light look, not looking too heavy on Valentine's Day for the face, you know. So I'm gonna enjoy it here. This look for like 5 minutes before I take it off and then I go watch my Love Island. So yeah, this is the look. I hope you guys like it. I really love doing my hair for these looks and doing my face and my stuff for Instagrams and stuff. So yeah, if you guys did enjoy, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Tell me how your Valentine's Day went. I want to know. Please let me all in on all the goss. I love hearing about Valentine's Day and what people do. If you spend it with your girls, if you spend it with your boys, if you spend it with your man, if you spend it with your woman, let me know. Because I love listening about it. I find it so sweet and just so nice. And one day I can look forward to that. And I really, I can't wait. So yeah, if you guys enjoy, yeah, do you. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.